Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. This video we're gonna watch, this is my architecture, a clickstream analysis architecture, okay? So we're gonna watch it and then at the end I'm gonna, we can see if we can improve certain part. Why did they do this way? We're gonna talk more about that. So let's watch the video. All right, I'm excited.
大家好，歡迎嚟到 This is my architecture。我係 Dixon，AWS 嘅 Solutions Architect。
Here's a Dixon,
咁
okay.
我哋請到香港01嘅阿 Dick 嚟同我哋講下佢哋嘅 data
So
analytics
I think that
architecture。
it is Hong Kong 01, the company name.
香港01啦。
香港01除咗一個線上媒體之外，亦都會大力發展各方面嘅業務，包括慈善眾籌、線上大餐服務。
咁你哋做咁多線上嘅平台啦，咁應該好多 data analytics 嘅需要。咁喺 architecture 上面，你有啲咩考慮？
其實香港01係好重視數據分析嘅。咁我哋喺數據平台上主要有兩個考量啦。第一個係要能夠處理大量嘅數據。第二樣係我哋希望我哋嘅數據團隊能夠專注喺數據分析，所以我哋採用咗 Serverless 嘅架構去減低團隊對平台維護嘅時間嘅。
OK，咁啊，可唔可以即係講下呢個日常嘅 use case，你點樣去喺呢個 architecture 上面去用到？
可以，咁用採集 Clickstreams 為例啊，咁當我哋嘅用戶瀏覽我哋嘅網
So seems like they are pumping data to Firos using ELBs and Lambdas.
然後
So they are scaling up, doing load balancing.
Lambda 去做 execute 嘅。
But I wonder why they opted for ELB instead of API gateway.
發 forward 到
Let's see if he answers that.
Cantonese file host，最後會儲咗落去我哋個
Of course, Firos to S3. Then you have your
我
glue,
見到即係
same
Cantonese
thing.
搭 S3 咁都係一個好常見嘅組合啦。咁但係 ALB 搭 Lambda 呢個都係一個比較新，即係我哋。
Oh, he did ask why
點
ELB
解你哋考慮用 ALB 而即係冇用到傳統可能用 API gateway 同 Lambda？
rather than a traditional API gateway? Yup, that's the question.
API gateway 一個比較多功能嘅平台，但係我哋嘅用途比較單一，咁所以最後因為成本嘅考量上，我哋採用咗 ALB。
一個好精明嘅選擇啊！
Oh, so for cost savings, he opted for ELB instead of API
喺
gateway.
glue 嘅部分，咁你哋又會點樣用 glue 咧？
咁其實 Glue 嗰度咧，我哋主要攞係嚟做 data catalog。
Glue essentially is a data catalog, right?
OK，咁所以就
So table and schemas essentially.
S3，咁然後隻 glue 就會有即係知道晒有咩 table 喺度發生嘅。咁我相信你哋都要做即係 data transform 啊、data cleansing 啊。咁呢個部分你哋用咩方法去做嘅咧？
我哋唔係用傳統嘅 Hadoop 或者 Spark 嘅 platform 嘅，我哋透過 Athena 嘅 CATS 嘅。
So Athena gets the data from S3 using CTAS function. So they are using Airflow to orchestrate that. I mean, it's fine. I would have used AWS Glue workflow there. But let's keep going.
一個好聰明嘅做法。咁你即係用 Athena 去即係行你哋嘅 transform，咁然後就 update 翻落去 S3，咁就當做一個 ETL。咁我見到可能你哋都會有即係 Athena 同埋 Redshift 嘅部分啦。咁你哋咩情況去揀用邊個服務咁樣？
So he's asking like when you would use Athena and Redshift, right? So
佢嘅 data 都會儲落 SV 嘅，咁但係因為我哋會配合
so essentially for that dashboard and BI, they are using Redshift.
我哋會將啲
But you could have done that using
Redshift 度到我哋
AWS QuickSight. You can easily integrate QuickSight with Athena. We have done that in the company.
我哋嘅 business
But
analyst
okay, let's keep going.
時候咧，亦可以透過 Redshift Spectrum 咧去 access 翻啲 raw data 去做一個更加 comprehensive
Raw data, okay, and more complex.
咁所以 data analyst 就會可能用 Athena，咁跟住可能business user 就可能會主要透過 BI tools 去 access Redshift。咁如果可能做 machine learning 嘅部分就咁啊，可能翻去即係 S3 data lake 度攞嘢。咁我亦都見到有個好特別嘅部分喎，就係BI tools 搭咗個 Lambda， 呢度又發生啲咩事嘅咧？
其實咧 BI tool 通常都有各種各類嘅限制嘅，譬如可能我哋唔能夠可以好隨心所欲咁樣去 set 一個時間做一個 refresh 啦，咁所以咧我哋就透過 schedule 一個 lambda function 去用一個 headless browser 嘅功能咧，去模擬翻我哋嘅人手去做一啲 data report 嘅 refresh。係啦，咁就避免要去人手去。
They're using a headless browser essentially.
Lambda 就扮一個人去做個 F5 refresh 咁。OK， 咁我見到都已經有一個即係好完整嘅 data ingest for Clickstream 啦。
Okay, let's stop this. I have some. Let's debate here. So it was a great idea and thought of using ELB instead of API gateway to essentially optimize cost, right? Then they're directly pumping data to Firos. Okay, Firos is connected to S3. Definitely, they are using Lambda transformation, or the data is transformed because you cannot if you directly put your data into S3. Your crawler or glue is not going to work because they have to be, all the item has to be new line delimited JSON, right? So that's that. So I would also add a bucket replication policy, which means as soon as the data lands into that bucket, it should be replicated into a different region. That's a good practice. We should enable bucket versions. We should have lifecycle policy on that bucket. Okay, so now the crawler is essentially running. It's going to identify the metadata or the table, right? The schema of it. Then they're using Airflow to write a job, that they are writing a Spark job. It uses Athena to essentially query. And then after that, I think he said maybe he's using Redshift copy command to essentially, put data into Redshift. And then there are BI tools that they sit on the top of the Redshift. Now, a couple of suggestions, I would say, maybe instead of having that BI tool, whatever they're using, AWS QuickSight natively easily integrate with Athena as a backend, very easily. So they could create amazing, beautiful BI dashboards with QuickSight. So that's one thing they could have done, right? Which is good. And I think for the orchestration part, since they used Airflow, if they could have used AWS Glue workflow where you can orchestrate your ETL pipeline. So that's pretty, they could have opted for that as well, right? So AWS has that. You could then fire the workflow using Event Bridge on a cron job. And you can also enable bookmark, which means you will do data in incremental load, right? So some stuff there, right? But great architecture, right? And we'll watch more and more so we can learn, explore, and just learn more about Amazon Web Services, right? With that being said, thank you very much for watching. Hope you have enjoyed it. Keep smiling, keep programming. I'll see you guys in the next upcoming videos.